Want to download the Character AI app on your phone and don't know how to do it? Then this tutorial is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to download the Character AI app on your iPhone. So let's dive right in. First of all, find your app store on your home screen just like this. Now open it. After opening the app, tap onto the search bar right here. Then tap Character AI just like this and search for it. And here you can find the Character AI just right here. Now tap on it. Now to download it, simply tap on to get button right here. Now tap on it. Now confirm it that you want to download the Character AI. Now double click to install it, just like this. Now wait for a few minutes and the app will be downloaded. And now you can see the app has been downloaded. Now to open it, simply tap on to open just right here. And you can also find the app on your home screen just like this. And that's it. This is how you can download the Character AI app on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.